Hello and welcome back. We're thinking about bonds to 100 today using tens. But first, here's our get ready questions. Pause the video and have a go. How did you get on with those? Here are the answers. Did you notice that 2 plus 2 is equal to 4? And in the second one, we've got 2 tens plus 2 tens is equal to 4 tens. And then 4 plus 4 is 8, and 4 tens plus 4 tens is 8 tens. Tiny has been asked to sort the juice out into a group of juice for today and then some juice for the rest of the week. There are 10 juice cartons altogether. So Tiny places 2 ready for today and then 8 for the rest of the week. Tiny knows that 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. Great work, Tiny. 10 juice cartons isn't going to be enough for the whole week, is it? Tiny, I think you were supposed to sort 100 juice cartons. But you can use the same logic as before. Before you put 2 juice cartons to one side. This time you can put 2 lots of 10 to one side. And we put 8 to the other side before, and now we're putting 8 lots of 10 to the other side. We did have 2 plus 8 was equal to 10. And this time we've got 2 tens plus 8 tens is equal to 10 tens. Splitting the juice cartons into 2 tens and 8 tens isn't the only way Tiny could have split them. Let's have a look at some of the other ways that Tiny could have split the juice cartons. Instead of using juice cartons this time, let's use place value counters. Before, we had 10 packs of 10 juices. This time, I've got 10 place value counters, which are all worth 10 each. How are you going to split these ones, Tiny? Instead of 2 tens and 8 tens, now we've got 3 tens and 7 tens. 3 tens plus 7 tens is equal to, that's right, 10 tens. We can write this 30, or 3 tens, plus 70, or 7 tens, is equal to 100, or 10 tens. But that's not the only way they could be split either. 3 tens plus 7 tens is equal to 10 tens, so therefore 4 tens plus 7 tens is equal to 10 tens. Pardon, Tiny? Something's not correct. 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. If 4 plus 7 is equal to 11, then 4 tens plus 7 tens can't be equal to 10 tens. You're right, Tiny. So, what should I change it to? 4 tens plus 6 tens is equal to 10 tens. That makes more sense now. I'm starting to see a bit of a pattern. 3 tens plus 7 tens, 4 tens plus 6 tens. I wonder what the next calculation in the pattern would be. Now it's your turn to have a go at the questions 1 and 2 on the worksheet. Tiny's getting very good at these now. He knows that 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, so therefore 3 tens plus 4 tens is equal to 7 tens. Whoa! He's celebrating! While you were celebrating, Tiny, you've knocked some of the digits out of place. How are we going to put these back? I think I'm going to use some place value counters. So we know that 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So if I get 3 tens plus 4 tens, that will be equal to 7 tens. Right, let's try and put some of these digits back in the right place. 3 tens is equal to 30. So the 0 goes with the 3 to make 30. And then 4 tens is equal to 40. So the digit 4 goes back into the tens place. And then altogether I've got 7 tens, which is 70. Phew, all back in the right place. Okay, let's stay calm this time, Tiny. On to the next one. It's your turn now, but remember, counters can be really useful when you're having a go at question 3 on the worksheet. Jack is investigating 10. He thinks that 10 is equal to 1 plus 9. So he's got himself a number shape 10 and a number shape 1 and a number shape 9. And he's going to slide the number shape 1 and 9 on top of the 10. Yes, it covers it exactly. Now he knows that 10 is equal to 1 plus 9. What about 2 plus 8? Yes, it fits exactly. 10 is equal to 2 plus 8. Okay, let's carry on the pattern. What about 3 plus 7? Yes, 10 is equal to 3 plus 7. There definitely is a pattern emerging now. 1, 2, 3. And on this side, 9, 8, 7. I wonder if you could continue the pattern. Remember when Tiny explained the 3 different ways to show subtraction using double-sided counters last week? Well, that could really help us with question 4 on the worksheet. You might want to use place value counters instead of double-sided counters if you have them, and if you don't, you can always draw the counters yourself. Have a go at question 4 on the worksheet.